Government has launched a portal from where you can get a free internship, including a stipend and also a certificate. Hi, this is Madhav, and in this video I am going to tell you about a portal which is started by Government of India, and that portal is called Tulip. And as you can see, there is a newsletter coming beside me. It is a news from Hindustan Times, and you can go through that newspaper very briefly. I will providing the link in the description box, and you can go through the terms and conditions there. The most important thing, if you have completed your graduation, then only you are eligible for internship, and the internship can vary from 1 week to 1 year duration, and the minimum stipend of 10,000 rupees, which is not less. Regarding selection process, firstly you have to apply for the company which you are interested in. After that, the company will be screening out some of the candidates based on the score of the 10th class, 12th class, and also graduation. After that, they will be assigning you a task which will be not difficult. You have to complete the task very perfectly and with all of your efforts. And after that, you will be shortlisted again, and you will be getting a call for an interview. It may be the interview may be online or offline, but nowadays they are preferring to take interviews online only. And as I told before, after completion of your internship, you will be getting a certificate from AICTC. And before moving further in this video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and at the end of this video, if you like this video, please like it. So let's go. So it is the main UI page of Tulip portal. Here you have to register and select. If you are a student, then select student. If you are an employee, you can select employee also. And here you have to register. You have to fill up all these details. I have already registered into it. So after doing this process, please make sure that the details given by you are correct, because they'll be sending you an email verification, and you have to verify it. After verification only you can able to log in. So here, after registering, you have to verify by your Gmail, but I have already verified, so I will log in here as a student. So so here is the dashboard. Here you have to fill up the remaining details like your gender, last name, your 10th details, your 12th class details, and also the graduation details here only. And if you want to do internship offline, then you have to give a preferred location here itself. And you should upload a government ID. Everyone has an Aadhaar card, so that, and you can upload your photo here. Here in the left side, you can see the details of profile here. And in the government internships, you can able to see many government internships, but I am a student, I am not graduated yet, that's why I'm not able to see any internship at present. And you can also get private internships also. Yeah, so it is showing only citizen of India is allowed, as I have not updated my dashboard, that's why I was getting like that. And if you see here, you can edit here, and in the edit section you have to choose your gender and nationality and all the details of your 10th class, 12th class. Then please don't forget to save here. After that only your profile will be updated successfully, and after that you can apply here. And as they told, by 2020 they will be providing 25,000 internships, which is not a less count. So that's it for today, guys. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe, as I upload these type of videos regularly. So until then,